Hello, welcome to Vlogmas 2022. This is the second Vlogmas that I am doing, and I am taking you guys along with me the whole entire month of December. But this year I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to have my regular uploads on Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays, and I'm going to be uploading a Vlogmas on Fridays and Saturdays. I personally feel for my sanity, instead of editing a video every single day, I would rather give you guys some really good content on 2 vlogs a week. I feel like that would be better. It would help my sanity on not editing every single day, because I'm still going to be giving you guys outfit videos. There's so much to share with you guys this month. The month of December is my birthday. Also, I'm going to be hosting Christmas dinner, so we're getting ready for that. We moved since the last Vlogmas that you guys saw from last year. We're living in a house now, and there's so much to decorate, and I'm going to give you guys a little house tour and show you guys how I decorate this place. So there's so much to share with you guys this year on Vlogmas. So this here is the living room area. I'm standing in the entrance, and this is the living room. It's pretty much a blank canvas right now, but once I go ahead and add all the Christmas decor, it's gonna be more filled up. And that box is the last box standing. I cannot wait to open that and just throw that box out. And this is the stairs. It just leads to upstairs, which I'll show you guys another day or in another vlog. This here is the kitchen. I love the little island in the middle, which is separate from the dining room table. And those stickers back there, my daughter is currently being potty trained, so that's her little chart there. And then this is the dining room. I've already taken out a few holiday stuff from storage, so I'm ready to decorate this area. So today I'm actually going to go to a few stores: Five Below, Dollar Tree, I feel like I live there, Walmart, maybe Target, to get a few more Christmas decorations. I have bought quite a few things already, but I feel like I still need more. Like I said, having more space now, it's like I want to fill every nook and cranny with like a Christmas bow and a tree. And also, please don't mind my nails. I'm going to be painting them tonight because I'm going to be recording some holiday outfit videos for you guys that you guys have probably seen if you're seeing this upload on Friday or Saturday. But these nails gotta go. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day to go to these stores to find a few things. Just wearing a sweatpants suit, which honestly, it's not even the same beige color. This is from 2 separate suits. And I'm also wearing a vest. I hate shopping with a big coat. It just gets too hot for all that. So I love vests like this when I go into the stores to go shopping. And just wearing my sneakers and a crossbody bag. So we just arrived at Five Below, and I just realized that there's a Dollar Tree right next to it. So this makes this errand run even easier. What I really want from Five Below, actually a few weeks ago when I took my dog for his haircut, next to it was a Five Below, and I was like, you know what, let me just go in and see what they had. And they had these huge candy canes, and I was like, you know what, this would be great decor for outside. So I want to go see if they have more of those so I can get that. And I also saw these like huge ornaments, but the ornaments honestly looked like beach balls. I thought it was so cute. I can honestly put that outside because we have nothing to put outside to decorate our house. And I thought that would be such a cool idea. So I want to go see if Five Below still has that. And then in Dollar Tree, I just want to get like a few little decorations. I did forget to tell you guys that we are going to be hosting Christmas dinner in our house. There's going to be about 17 people. We've never hosted that many people. So I just want to get a few little trinkets and a few little more decors to kind of fill up the house. And let's see what else they have in there. Alright, you guys, they're back in the car and they had the giant candy canes, and they also did have the giant inflatable ornament beach ball looking thing. And then I went to Dollar Tree, got a few little trinkets. I'll show you guys once I get home. I just need to head to Walmart and then pick up my daughter and then go home. Okay guys, so today is the next day. Yesterday after I came back from all the stores and picking up my daughter, I had to do dinner and I was just too tired to keep vlogging. So I'm gonna show you what I got in these stores yesterday. So first off, I went to Five Below and yes, I did find the inflatable ornament. This is like a huge kind of like beach ball kind of thing, and it has like glitter inside. And like I told you guys yesterday, I want to hang this from the front. We have like a little tree up in the front and we're gonna put like lights on it, and then I thought this would be so cute to hang 2 ornaments. But what I don't see is kind of like something to hook, like a real ornament when you hook something on it. I don't know, we'll figure that out. I got 2 of those. I also got in Five Below these little mini trees. I think I ordered on Amazon because I had it in my cart for a very long time. It was like a little village of trees, and I honestly don't remember if I did. I have to check my account to see if I did, but just in case I didn't, I got a few of these, which I think are super cute to kind of put around. And then I also got this cute little kind of like faux plants. They're a pack of 3 mini plants. Like I said, I want to decorate my little coffee bar, maybe put some in the bathroom. I thought this was just super cute for $5. And of course, I did get the giant candy canes. Hold on, let me show you guys correctly. So you guys can see how big these candy canes are. They're like huge. I feel like I'm gonna audition to the Rockettes. But we want to put these out in the front. We have like a staircase, and I just want to put like 2, 1 on each side with lights on the banister. I think that would be so cute because right now the front has absolutely no decorations. And then I told you guys I went to Walmart. I honestly, all I did was get some square white plates. Like I said, we're having Christmas dinner. We're hosting dinner for like 17 people, and I was missing 3 plates and I want them all to be cohesive. So I just got 3 of those plates. And then I also got some pine cones. These things smell amazing. It just smells like Christmas in a bag. I've been putting these everywhere all around the house. My husband is not a big fan of this scent, but I don't care. We're gonna make it smell like Christmas around here. And then I went to Dollar Tree. Y'all gotta keep me out of Dollar Tree because I feel like I've been to Dollar Tree 50 times, and every time I go in there, I just keep getting more and more trinkets and more decorations and things. I did get a pack of some wired garland. I feel like these are good to kind of create like a centerpiece or put them around the house. This is definitely something I can definitely use. I'm very DIY, in case you guys didn't know, so I'll definitely be making something with that. They also have this cute Christmas flower. I can put this in the bathroom. I did also get this little gnome. I want to put him in the kitchen there next to the flowers that I have there. And then I also got a few of these little trinkets. I don't even know what to call these. They're super cute decor. I got a snowman, I got Santa, Santa again. I felt like the bathroom was needing like a small little Christmassy something in there, and I feel like these would be perfect for that. And then this is just a pack of rocks that I got. It sounds funny, a pack of rocks. I have a vase there that I feel like you just breathe and it's going to fall. So I feel like putting this in there would be perfect to hold it up. And then I also did get more Christmas trees. I really need to check if I did order the one on Amazon, because the one on Amazon came with like 14 mini trees. So now I'm gonna have a gazillion trees, but I feel like you can never go wrong with too many of these for the house to decorate. And some cherry flowers, that was berry flowers, and just another little decor. I still don't know what I'm gonna do for the second table as a centerpiece. I got a centerpiece already for the main table. Then we're gonna get another table since it's 17 of us. And I don't know what to put in the middle. I'm thinking this and maybe decorate it a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. And then on my way home, I did get a package in my front door. These are some Christmas pajamas for the 25th. We're gonna be doing matching pajamas on the 25th with my husband's family and my family. That's gonna be the cutest group picture ever. All right, so that was everything that I got. In the next vlog, I'm definitely going to do a whole entire decorate with me. I am going to take you guys all around the house and show you how I decorated. What else did I get? As you can see, I already started putting up a few things. And something that I did promise to myself that I said when we moved, if we found a house or a big place, that I was going to have a Christmas tree in every single room. And I am keeping that promise to myself. So I'm gonna show you guys me decorating my dining room tree and also my main tree. Super excited. So I will see you guys in the next vlog to decorate with me.